hey, well done, thumbs up for yet another module that you've just gotten out of the way. I want to talk to you a little bit about, again, how we learn, because it's like the thing that completely fascinates me, how human brains are able to process like the inputs and make the connections in your brain. Now, one of the sort of topics of research that I've been reading a lot about is this idea of mixing different areas of knowledge. So, for example, in programming, let's say in one of the modules you were learning about conditional statements, if and else, and another part you were learning about loops, like for loops or while loops. Now, if you just learn all of those things in, like a capsule, right, where you just learn one thing and you only use that one thing, then the connections that you make in your brain are not as strong as if you had been able to mix up these concepts and somehow use them together. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you've got one module where you learned a particular topic, another module where you learned a different topic. If you can come up with a program or some bit of code that mixes two things from those two modules together, even if it's not particularly grand, it's not like some sort of, huge piece of software you're making, just like a small bit of code, like 5 or 10 lines of code, but it uses two different parts of knowledge from different parts of the course, then you're already starting to solidify your knowledge, right? So see if you can use these ways of mixing up, like something that you learned in module 3 with something that you learned in module 5, and try to cobble those things together and see if you can use them within the same context. So try that out and let me know how you get on.